Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you don't chase the wrong fix. First, check your cable and port. HDMI 1. 4 has lower bandwidth than HDMI 2, 0 or DP1. 4. Then confirm the monitor's native resolution and max refresh rate because the custom mode must fit inside that bandwidth. Once done, open the GPU control panel or display settings and locate the custom resolution tool. This is where you will input timing, resolution, and refresh values to create a valid mode. Now you handle the complex middle steps. Calculate the pixel clock so your mode fits the cable and monitor limits. Multiply resolution pixels by refresh rate and include a blanking factor, about 1 to 1. 3 depending on standard versus reduced blanking to estimate the pixel clock. If the clock exceeds the interface limit, reduce refresh rate or switch to reduced blanking. These options lower bandwidth. Then input precise horizontal and vertical totals, sync widths, and the calculated pixel clock into the custom resolution fields. Finish by applying and testing the new mode while watching for artifacts or no signal. Apply the custom resolution, then reboot or reset the GPU driver to ensure timings take effect. If the monitor shows no signal or garbled output, revert immediately to a known good mode or boot into safe mode to remove the custom setting. For troubleshooting, lower the refresh rate, enable reduced blanking, or swap to a higher bandwidth cable. These steps resolve most bandwidth-related failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.